In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webflow and Airtable. We'll walk through adding the Webflow extension inside Airtable so you can bridge content between your base and your Webflow project with confidence. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look out for, so setup feels smooth and intentional. Start by heading to Airtable and opening the specific base you want to connect. It's best to use a base where you have creator or editor permissions, and if you're experimenting, consider starting in a test or staging base so you can refine your setup before rolling it out to production. Make sure you're in a table view inside the base, not on the workspace home screen, so you can see the tools available for that base. Next, look for the Tools menu in the top navigation of your base and open it. From there, choose Extensions. Extensions are Airtable's way of bringing external services and deeper functionality right into your base, so this is where the Webflow integration lives. If you don't see extensions, double check that you're in the correct base and that you have the right access level. Inside the Extensions panel, click Add an Extension. This opens Airtable's extension gallery for your base. In the search bar, type Webflow. The results will narrow quickly. Select the Webflow option to open its details page. Take a moment to skim the overview and permissions so you know what the extension can do and how it will interact with your base. This is useful for confirming it's the right fit for your workflow and understanding any limitations before installing. When you're ready, click Add Extension. Airtable will begin adding it to your base's extensions panel. Depending on your workspace settings, you may see a confirmation step or a modal to finalize. If prompted, click Add Extension again to complete the install. This simply confirms you want it available in this base and ensures the panel is set up correctly. Once the extension is added, you'll see it appear in the Extensions panel on the right side of your base. From here, you can open it whenever you need to work with your Webflow connection as you build out your content operations. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Perform this step in a base that mirrors your Webflow collections, keep your field names clear and consistent, and coordinate with teammates who manage permissions to avoid surprises. That's it for adding the Webflow extension in Airtable. You've laid the groundwork for a clean connection between your content and your site, and you're ready to move on to configuring and mapping your data in your next setup step.